Hi YouTube. Well, this is most of the stuff you see here is from the NAPA Real Deals first quarter 2018, and I found a few things in there wanted to pick up, and I'll start with this quarter-inch Proto 90 tooth. This did not come from NAPA. This came from Amazon, and for whatever reason they didn't show this particular model in this NAPA Real Deals flyer, but this is available in stock on Amazon right now. I think I ordered this on Monday, and they were showing like 5 more in stock, and for whatever reason these haven't been in stock, from most of the companies that carry them. Usually industrial type suppliers like MSC or Granger, and this was $117 from Amazon, and I just looked this morning, and I think the price is $123 today, whatever it is, like the 17th of January. So if you're interested in these, they are in stock, at least on Amazon today. I guess we'll just start with this one. This is the Proto quarter-inch drive. It's 90 tooth head, flex head, no detents, no quick release. Now this is my favorite kind of style of flex ratchet. I prefer them not to have detents and just let them flex with no stops and no quick release. It's a 90 tooth head, extremely low back drag on this model. If you'd like to see the internals of these Garnet tools, he has a good video on these Proto 90 tooth heads where he opens them up and shows you the internals. You can check it out. And these are the exact same as the Mac Tools 90 tooth head, but you can't, right now at least, Proto doesn't offer a comfort grip model. But these they have really nice knurling on them. And I don't know if that part number will even show up on here. I don't have my glasses on, so I can tell you that I for sure can't read it. But this is the quarter-inch drive model. I'll give you a length on it. You can see USA on the selector switch there. We'll just put an extension on to give you a short sound bite. Again, very light back drag on these. So there's the Proto 90 tooth quarter-inch flex ratchet. Next, the 3/8 model. This did come from the NAPA Real Deals. I'll open up the flyer later to show you I think it was just under $100. So this was actually cheaper through NAPA than the quarter-inch drive model through Amazon. And they do show the half-inch models in there as well if you're interested in those. Again, Proto, I got USA on the selector here. The nice knurling on the handle. Again, I'll try to get up on the part number. Here's your length. And again, just very smooth flex head action. These do have Torx bolts in them, so you know, I guess you could tighten them up if they loosen up over time. Sound bite of the 3/8 head. And I guess Garnett, he said something. He didn't think I think he did the 1/2-inch model, and he said he didn't think they retained very well. This is, I mean, it seems to grip okay to me. This is an old school extension with the hole in the side. And I mean, it retains well enough for me, I can say that. This again, Proto 3/8 drive flex head, 90 tooth. These are sealed from the one Garnett's opened. They do have an O-ring type gasket on the plate and also on the selector switch. So these are sealed, and just, you know, very smooth action on that selector switch. Love the great chrome finish on this Proto stuff. I'm glad to see these becoming more widely available. Next, we just got a couple Carlisle, this 3-piece pistol grip type pliers. I guess this is a new product for them. It is in this current sales flyer, and so I picked it up. They didn't have it in stock, they had to order it. I'll just show you the medium one here. Hopefully you can see those teeth on there. Nice teeth. And good alignment on the tip there. A lot of these type of pliers, the tips don't line up well. But these seem perfect. No flex. These are made in Taiwan. We'll go for the largest one there. Then the smallest. This is the card that was on the back of the case here. You can see the part number. There you can see made in Taiwan. And a 3-piece pistol grip pliers set. Next, just a small pair of flush cutters. These are for cutting zip ties. I don't know if you can read that on there, but it does say not for metal. It wasn't a very good coating on the tip here, but you know, it's not really a concern of mine. Feel great in the hand. Again, great alignment. And this is the card they came attached to. If you like all Carlisle products, lifetime warranty, made in Taiwan. Now, I'm not going to go through this entire catalog. You can swing by your local NAPA and pick these up, or it's also available online, and you can see this flyer online. But here's the Proto stuff and the 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive model ratchets. You can see they're all on sale right now, and all these prices are good through the end of March. So you got time if you're interested in those Proto ratchets yourself. So swing by your local NAPA and pick one of these up. And this is the Carlisle page. There's the plier set. See, it was $80. And the plastic cutter snips, they're right there in the middle. My NAPA loves seeing me walk in the door because they know I'm always going to spend cash in there. So I like NAPA. I live in, small town Ohio, and I got one local to me, and always receive great service through them. So that's the tool purchases for today, and as always folks, thanks for watching.